What's up, good people? Captain Chris here aboard the sailing vessel Krista. Lee sailing in the Bahamas, right off of the west coast of Long Island. Not Long Island, New York, but the Bahamas. And you can see, hopefully you can see the beauty of the water. It really is incredible. We're under sail, full main, full jib, broad reaching, anywhere from 4.5 to 6 knots. My friends on sailing vessel Magic and Wayward Sun are up ahead, and we're making for the northwestern tip of Long Island, trying to position ourselves to get up to Conception Island, and then hopefully ride a cold front all the way down to the Dominican Republic. Have a great day.